Welcome this video titled Transforming Space, a guide to guest house interior design. Introducing setting up a guest home requires meticulous plan and attention to detail, especially when it comes to interior design. A well-designed guest house not only provide a comfortable and intimate space of visit, but also enhance the overall experience. We will explore key aspect of guest house interior design, often inset and tip to create a welcome and aesthetic place environment of your guest. Define the purpose and theme before delving into the design project. It's essential to define the purpose of your guest house and establish a theme. Consider the target audience, whether it be business, transporting, vacations, or a mix of both. The theme will guide your design. Choose from color palettes to furniture. Select space optimization. Guest house are often limited in space. Mark its cabin to optimize every secured inches. Choose multi-functional furniture such as soft bed or foldable table to maximize united without compromising aesthetic. Clear story solved like building in shade or height story compartment help keep the space cut free. Color palettes and lighting. Select the right color palette can significant impact the overall ambience of a guest house. Natural tone create a scene and timeless atmosphere. Wild pop and color can add various adding natural color or use lights statement to key area and create a cozy atmosphere during evening. Comfortable finishing innovate in quality. Comfortable finisher to of a pleasing state of your guest. Other of during and easy to maintain material and focal on privacy. A balance between style and functional. Consider sit and comfortable bed to enhance the overall guest experience. Personalization touching info the guest house with personalization touching and reflect your hostel. This could include artwork, decoration, image, or look inspire element that the add chaptering to the space. Personalization helped create a modern experience and make guests feel more at home. Easy main entrance, string lane declared and main entrance process by choose material and furniture that are easy to